How do I get the spark plugs out of those deep holes on my Honda Shadow? So, this is a very simple trick. It's a very simple process. I know a lot of people struggle with this, so I'm going to lay it out for you real simple. Use a 18-inch deep wall socket just to break the spark plug free. That's all you got to do first. Break it free so it's turning easy. Take the socket out. Don't keep trying to back it out because the socket's going to get stuck. You can't pull it out with the socket. Then you get yourself a little piece of 3/8-inch fuel hose, about that big, 6 inches, and push it down over the end of the spark plug, twist it, pull it right out. And the same process goes for reinstalling that spark plug. Put the spark plug in the end of the fuel line, 3/8-inch fuel line. That way you can find the spark plug hole easily and not worry about stripping anything out because you got a big freaking socket in there banging around. That's the easiest and most simple way to install or remove your spark plugs from the Honda Shadows.